biological perspective, the primary function of the male and female reproductive systems is to ensure the continuation of the species through procreation. The ability to reproduce is a characteristic that is unique to living organisms and is essential for the survival of any species. From an evolutionary perspective, the ability to reproduce is a key factor in the survival of any species. It is the process through which new individuals are brought into existence and the genetic diversity of a population is maintained. This diversity allows for the adaptation of the species to changing environmental conditions and increases the chances of survival in the face of competition and other challenges. Furthermore, reproduction plays a vital role in the continuation of cultural and societal traditions. It is through the passing down of knowledge, customs, and values that a society can continue to evolve and adapt to changing circumstances. Parents pass on their experiences and wisdom to their children, who in turn carry on these traditions to the next generation. This allows for the preservation of cultural heritage and the continuation of a shared identity and history. Reproduction also plays a crucial role in the personal lives of individuals. The act of bringing new life into the world can be a deeply meaningful and fulfilling experience for many people. The bond between parent and child is one of the strongest and most enduring relationships that a person can have. It is through this bond that individuals learn to love and care for others, and in turn, learn to love and care for themselves. Furthermore, the ability to reproduce is not only important for individuals but also for society as a whole. The birth of new individuals is necessary for population growth and for the replenishment of the workforce. Without a steady population growth, a country's economy and society may suffer. In conclusion, the ability to create life through reproduction is one of the most fundamental and important aspects of the purpose of men and women. From a biological perspective, the primary function of the male and female reproductive systems is to ensure the continuation of the species through procreation. This ability allows for the continuation of the species, preservation of cultural heritage, and fulfillment of personal lives. It is also crucial for the population growth and replenishment of workforce. Therefore, it can be argued that the ability to reproduce is a vital aspect of the purpose of men and women.